Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the lack of content the last few months. It's been a pretty snowy winter in Maryland, and lately it's been a very, very rainy spring and the beginning of summer. So I was coming out to check out the Chrysler Town and Country. I realized that one of my license plate bulbs actually began to rust pretty badly, actually. And then when I turn it on, it goes ahead and it flickers. So today's video is going to focus on the tutorial of how to replace the license plate bulb on this said 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. I went ahead and purchased these two guys. Unfortunately, they're sold individually, and these are the Sylvania Zevos. They also have a pack that is white for the same Sylvania bulbs. Not as bright, but these claim to be super bright. Disclaimer, it says for off-road use only, but all you're really doing is lighting up your license plate. You're not going to be blinding a person behind you. If you can't find the 194, try the 168 or the 2825. So let's go ahead and begin. And you go ahead and pull down the hatch. Mine's electric, and then you just pull on that little tab, and this whole, shouldn't have cut my nails. And there we go. And this whole assembly goes ahead and comes out. So to make your life easier, if you want to just turn that whole socket around, and there you have it. So as you can see, that does not look good. Explain, it's starting to rust a little bit. I'll probably go ahead and get a connector at some point later on. But for now, let's just go ahead and replace the bulb. So I guess moisture got in there somehow. I'll have to really look into that. Or it's just a bad bulb. These are always a pain in the butt. I got them over at the local Advance. Unfortunately, they were pretty pricey. However, they do come with a lifetime warranty, I believe. So if they go bad, I have the receipt. I'll go ahead and take it back to the Advance and get a new bulb. They were $20 a pop, and I'll find a link for them on Amazon in case someone needs them. And you just go ahead and take that cover. And you slip it right back in there. Twisting it to the right, and then once you got it down, just make sure that tab is underneath and push it down like that. Go ahead and do the same thing for the other side, because for me, I'm just going to replace them both in a pair. If you have a plastic prying tool, it would probably be a huge help right now. As for me, I'm just going to tough it out and break it now. Well, it looks like the pricks of living on a county road that has 3 lanes is at about this time of the day, which right now is 5 o'clock. Traffic is very interesting. And there we go, finally got that one out. These haven't been taken out for a couple of years. Thankfully, the thing about LEDs is if you're dealing with your lights burning out, just spend the money, buy an LED. That way you'll never have to worry about it again unless something like this happens. And these are indeed plug and play, so once you got them installed, you're good to go. Go ahead and pop that in. Grab the cover. Slip that cover back on. and then just turn it to the right until it locks into place. The same deal, just putting that cover underneath and locking that tab. So just like that is how you replace the license plate bulb on a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to leave a comment. Have a great one.